smoke showing. Residential, first truck. 1336.
Ladder 1 was the second truck, Alpha.
Copy, ladder 1 on scene, second truck.
Chief 50's on the scene. I'll have the command post be in the Alpha Delta point.
H3's first engine, please look inside.
822, 1337.
Train listed on the 3
One story sitting on a cross leg. Have a small fire on the back porch and is extinguished for checking for extension.
I copy, rescue 2. Small fire on the back porch, checking for extension.
Rescue 2, Chief 50. You can show it under control, there's no extension. You can keep 2 trucks and 1 engine for now.
Okay, copy that. Confirming rescue 2, ladder 1, engine 3 be sufficient. Alright, units coming to Highland Avenue. We're under control. We're going to continue to hold rescue 2, ladder 1, and engine 3. All others are released. Row in from command.
741, number 4.
204 Highland Avenue had a small fire on the back porch. It's out with no extension. We're under control. We're going to continue to hold rescue 2, ladder 1, engine 3, and myself. All others are released.